Hi, welcome to this exercise which has been done with the article, and it's exclusively done for the conference BBC Masters in Berlin next week. So let's get to it. We will try to exercise a few functions, if function, and function, and some conditional formats. In the next exercise, we will go through the VLOOKUP function and some other things. And then we will go through the query function, which is really good in Google Spreadsheets and really can help you filter data and having good reports through the AdWords. So this is really basic exercise. I think anybody who run PPC campaigns should have known these functions. And let's get to it. First thing first, this is our stock of our products we are selling online, anywhere basically. And we want to know some things. First thing, we want to know purchasing value of the pieces we have for each fruits in our stock. Another thing we want to know is the selling value, which means for how much we would sell the fruits from our stock. Then that's a little bit trickier. We want to know if the products are rightly inserted. So if the purchasing price is lower than the selling price, if the purchasing price is higher than selling price, we are losing money for each orders. Then that's a little bit complicated. We want to know if there are products we are selling for lower price, and then if we have less than 10 pieces in stock. So let's get to it. Purchasing value, it's really easy. We just multiply the purchasing price with the selling price, and we can now we can expand it. We can expand the formula by double clicking in here, or we can have the second thing, which I will show you with the next one. If you want to know selling value, we just put the selling price and multiply it by the pieces we have in stock. Sorry for the currency, we don't want this, we would like to have it in dollars. And then you can copy the formula and paste it like this, and it would work the same. Now it's a little bit trickier. We will use the if function, which is really helpful in some situation during the BPCs. So let's have a look. So if functions has a three parameters. The first parameters is a logical expression, which is like a question. We will ask the system, the robot or JavaScript, is the purchasing price higher than selling price? If it is, which will say true, we will say, yeah, okay, so right, there is a problem. And if it isn't right, it's okay. Let's write it. One thing which is really important to understand, if you write anything like a string like this, you should have it in a parenthesis. This is really important. If you don't have it, I can demonstrate that. If I kill one parenthesis, it shouldn't work. Yeah, it will, because there is no result there. Now it will not work. Yeah, so it's really important to have it in a parenthesis. If you don't have it, it will not work at all. And it's the same in Excel and basically in every programming language. So let's expand this, and now we know that there are few products which has higher purchasing price than the selling price. And now we know the problem. This is really important. You can do this filtration in AdWords reports, in Excel, in Google Spreadsheets, and I will expand the idea further. Now you can use the filtration for the problem products, and you can do something with them. That's really helpful, I think. Okay, let's do the last one. This is a really easy exercise, I hope, for you. We will use the if function, and now we want to have two arguments there. We want to know if the selling price is lower than purchasing price, and that I have less than 10 pieces in my stock of this product. So let's use the function AND, which means that I can have more condition, and if every condition in an AND function is met, it will return a true. If one of the conditions I insert isn't met, it will give me false. So it's very easy. Let's just go, the B2 is higher than C2, which is like if the purchasing price is bigger than the selling price, and if the D2, which is a number of pieces in stock, it's lower than 10. Now I close, this is our condition, and then say, okay, if this is met, it's the problem. If it isn't, it's okay. Now you see, we get few products with a problem. Thing is, we want to visualize them better. For this, you can use the conditional formatting. Let's go to formats, data, conditional formatting, and add a new rule. And the easy way is we will have a go through the advanced conditional formats, but let's go for the red one, and it is when the cell is equal to problem. Now we have just highlighted the wrong stuff. We can add the good one. It's okay. Sorry, I have it. That's nice. So now I have even visualize the problems, and I can change them, fix them. For example, if I lower this purchasing price, it would be fine, and I can get on with it. So you can use this if function for a lot of things in AdWords. I will show you examples in more advanced videos, but other thing I want to show you, it's an OR function, which is the similar as an AND function, but for the function to return the true, it's just you just need the one condition to be met, so it's much easier to go. So in this case, we want to use the AND function, and because we have this task. Okay, that's it for that, and in the next video we will go through the VLOOKUP and other things.